Good morning, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. Fourth stimulus checks worth up to $1,000 have just been passed. This new relief payment will begin going out as soon as next month. However, some Americans will be receiving a smaller amount than others. This is due to new changes by the Biden administration. So today, I will be covering everything that you need to know in this video. This is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. So friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video if you would like to receive a $1,000 stimulus payment next month. Also, share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. Friends, if you would like to enter my gift card giveaway, where I'll be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, then please be sure to listen for the keyword from this video.
Supporting small business last year, a record 5.4 million small businesses were created, 1 million more than the year before, and lower prices for Americans through strong action in the Congress. But we need to do so much more. The kitchen table concerns of America's working families are tangible, they are ongoing, and we need to address them. Over the kitchen table, people have to decide, are they going to pay for food, for rent, for education, for credit card bills, whatever their needs are, the same needs that keep them up at night, the decision as to what to pay for. So we must continue to lower cost, increase jobs, increase pay. Let me see what else was going to say, but in that regard.
So friends, here is a great news. Residents in many U.S. states could receive several hundreds of dollars in the form of a state tax rebate. But there are eligibility requirements that have to be met in order to receive a check. So this relief is part of a proposal making its way through the Kentucky legislature. It would provide people who pay Kentucky state taxes a rebate, which would be worth up to $500 or $1,000 for joint filers. The bill's sponsors, Senate Republican Chris McDaniel, says that the idea for the rebate came about a month ago when he saw how much prices were up due to inflation. In a statement, Senator McDaniel said, "When you really stop and reflect that utility prices are going up, and grocery prices are going up, and fuel and rent prices, inflation is the biggest thing that impacts Kentuckians day in and day out." McDaniel has told reporters that the state has quite a large surplus available to issue the rebates. So when asked about how this bill would help hundreds of thousands of Kentucky residents, Senator McDaniel said the state had a substantial amount of unanticipated tax revenue. And in addition, we had spent 2 years writing very conservative budgets through the crisis, so we suddenly ended up with about $2 billion of unanticipated tax revenue. My intent would be to find a way to lower the burdens of tax-paying Kentuckians. So my friends, here is how the relief checks would work. Individuals would be eligible for up to $500 in rebate, and joint filers could receive up to $1,000. For instance, if you paid $500, you would get that amount back. And if you paid $700, you would again get $500. But if you paid less than $500, you would get that amount back as well. The bill has already passed in the Senate. Another senator said that the state has plenty of places that the surplus could be spent, but likens this proposal to a smaller version of the federal stimulus payments that went out during the crisis. This only would be a one-time rebate, not something that would continue to be issued. So my friends, what are your thoughts on a one-time $500 or $1,000 stimulus check? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is leprechaun. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Now, with the government spending bill recently passed in Washington, D.C., it is now time that our lawmakers in Congress get their focus back on passing more crisis stimulus aid. A new Relief Act has been introduced by Senator Mitt Romney. And once the relief bill passes, up to $350 per month could be delivered to U.S. children whose families fall under a certain income threshold. The Family Security Act would provide a $350 cash benefit for each child under the age of 6 and $250 for each child aged 6 to 17. Parents could receive a maximum of $1,250 per month. Payments would be administered monthly through the Social Security Administration rather than through the IRS, which distributed the enhanced child tax credit payments in 2021. As with the child tax credit, payments would phase out for parents making over $200,000 annually. Payments would be reduced by $50 for each $1,000 of income over the threshold. Taxpayers would be responsible for reconciling underpayments or overpayments with the IRS when they file their tax returns. The even better news, friends, is that this bill also seeks to simplify the Earned Income Tax Credit, offering $1,000 to single filers and $2,000 to married couples filing jointly, plus $1,000 for any filers with dependents, rather than varying amounts for each dependent based on income level, as the current law states. Also, it would eliminate the Temporary Aid for Needy Families, which is a federally administered program that provides an electronic benefit transfer payment to families facing temporary financial hardship. So, my friends, what are your thoughts on the new Family Security Act? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of this daily stimulus update video. Thank you very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. Please do me a big favor and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you very much and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.